Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I love these Dreamtopia Barbies. I have one just like her that used to stand beside my computer. Absolutely my favorite doll. I have her out today to give you the announcement and reminders on the upcoming collab challenges that Dory's Dollies and I put out together on the 3rd of the month for Amaya Raine Day, which is any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll. For Dolls Gone Goth, any doll at all, doesn't matter. And they don't have to be goth. Just a little off or a little different or a little edgy. We are not the goth police. And then Hi Barbie on the 18th of each month. Each one of these videos is uploaded at 10 a.m. Central. And if you upload at the same time as everyone else, you are more than likely to get more views to your channel on that video. But any time of day is fine. I know a lot of people get busy. Upcoming for November is Dolls Gone Goth. And this month we're going to do black cats. Any way you want to interpret black cats. For Hi Barbie, we're going to do Black Friday, which is the big shopping day. So I brought down her clothes. I'm going to look for something for her to wear to the mall for that video. Aren't these cute? I got to find the top that goes with those. Oh, here we go. Now that would be cute. But I was thinking she could go a little dressier. We also have Amaya Raine Day coming up, and that is in December. Bye-bye, 2024. In December, Amaya Raine on the 3rd will be Christmas lights or hair, however you want to do that. If you want to put Christmas lights in her hair, we are fine with that. You decide what you want to do. Oh, look, she has a Thanksgiving outfit that she could be wearing too. I haven't been in this tub in quite some time. I love this outfit. This is what my girl used to wear standing beside my, see it has these sleeves, computer. So any way you want to interpret any of these collabs, we would love, or challenges, we would love for you to join in. That's Dory's Dollies and I, and we do these each month. The 3rd, Rainbow High, the 16th, Dolls Gone Goth, any doll at all, and the 18th is Barbie, and any kind of Barbie from this big to the 38-inch. We don't care, we just want you to have fun with us. I also want to remind you that each month Dory's Dollies does, or each week, Dory's Dollies does Flashback Friday. And what that traditionally is, showing dolls that are vintage or antique, Flashback Friday. This came with her, this is, came with my Barbie. This is a little container, and when you open it up, can I open it up? There you go. She has a crown and hair stuff. Anyway, Flashback Friday, I think that's any time of day, and Dory hosts that. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.